What I want to talk to you is about the key to learning anything quickly. And I'm going to give you a simple sports example because something that I have in mind that is easy. You know, I have somebody that's never skied before and they come to me. My first question to them is, well, what other sports or disciplines do you practice? What other things do you do? And they'll say, oh, I play soccer, or I play tennis, or I play basketball, or oh, I ride a bike, or I do yoga. And because of knowing what they do and how those things, you know, some of the specifics of how those things are done, then it makes it really easy for me to help those people transfer their skills that they already have. You know, so if they're already a soccer player, ideally, you know how to step on one foot, put your foot on the ball, and dribble from one side to the other one, right? So if you know how to do that in soccer, I can easily teach you how to make some turns on your skis. You know, if you know how to run to one side and hit a ball in tennis and go to the other side and do the same thing and have that weight transfer, then I can help you transfer some of those skills into your skiing and snowboarding as well. So think about what it is that you are wanting to learn, whatever it is that you're thinking of that you want to learn. Examine that thing, figure out what the key sort of elements of the thing are, and see what skills you already have that you can transfer from something that you already do and you will learn to do quickly. I'll give you another simple example. Many years ago, I was learning to play the harmonica. And I was, you know, going through some videos and trying to practice and stuff. And I did this exercise for myself. I thought, okay, well, this feels really a lot like whistling. Whistling in and out. Just has to, you know, pick up the rhythms. I know when I'm blowing out. I know when I'm going in. And that transfer of skill allowed me to learn to play the harmonica a lot easier and a lot quicker. So whatever it is that the skill that you want to learn, you already have some of the skills. So don't feel like you're starting from zero, from scratch, from being a complete beginner, because you already have some sort of basic skill in other thing that you can easily transfer to the thing that you want to learn at this moment. How's that? Hope you like it. There's Juan's Coaching Corner.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around. Watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.